All right, everyone, we're back in, what is it, Heat, Death, Survival Train. I believe we got some things to do. We have a couple of more things to grab as far as schematics go. So we have an outdoor light. We got 2 or 3 of that, and an indoor light. So we'll look for those. Also, we're gonna go to the secret cave. I did do some exploring off screen and found where that's at. I am here at the end where you have 2 of the robot collector huts, which is right after the red security gates that you go through. So you just come down here. You're going to want to follow Wilson number 10 or whatever that is over there. You follow him over here, and he'll take you to his little pile. But if you go down here to his little pile, you're going to see just off in the distance, bada bing, right there, a place to get some notes and whatnot. So we're going to jump down there. And I don't think there's any fall damage because I haven't gotten any yet. And zoom over here to these buckets. Ooh, look, bucket. Okay. We are gonna need that bucket over there to sit on, so we're gonna get that over there a little bit. All right, we'll get that back in a minute. I'll grab us some energy drink because we'll need that. We'll grab this letter here, which is all decrepit and blah 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 blah, but basically just says, "Come find me. I have shit you can have." So we'll get that. This is around here somewhere. We'll come out here and just run down here, and it is all the way down at the end of this little lake here. And there we are. Here's our not so secret cave. Not really a whole lot in here. There's smart materials, battery, and a blueprint, which means I just unlocked my outdoor light. Groovy. And a couple other things. It hasn't seemed to change each time I try to come in here. So do with that what you will. Is there... Oop, can I get out over here? Is there an easier way out? Nope. Okay. So we're going to run back to our slidey box and use that to climb back up. Now where... Oh, you slid all the way over here. Okay, cool. So we're going to take our little box here. We're going to kick it right over there in a little crevice, corner, whatever you want to call it. It should go right in there for us. Right there. Yep. We'll hop up on there and we'll hop up here. Ooh. Is that not enough? Oh, okay. So we'll have to bring it around the side here. Yep, there we go. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Stop, 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 stop. There we go. Over here. Okay. On to here. There we go. Boom. Boom. There we are. Now we can go back to our choo-choo train and we have found the secret cave. Shoo, I can build outdoor lights now. Outdoor lights. Oh, so how do I put those anywhere? Oh. Okay, okay, I see. So we can put one there. Let's put... Not enough scrap, huh? Okay. Grab that, boing. And then we'll... Where'd that go? Power, other ship. Oh. That's scrap. Never mind. Do I have that? Maybe. Yep. Tech scrap. There we go. Oh, don't have room for that, huh? Let's put that first aid kit right there. Grab us the tech scrap. Now... I should be able to make me another light. Good right there. Bada bing. Cool beans. Oop, wrong button. Let's turn those on. Let's see what those look like. Indoor, outdoor lights. Bonk. Oh, those are bright. All right, cool beans. Let's go ahead and turn that off. All right, now I'm gonna go from place to place and look for schematics, and we'll just cut out all the travel part, and we'll be right back. Do I have to kind of put it in a weird spot? I guess right there is just gonna have to do it. Hopefully. Now does it say I have power coming in? Oh, I'll probably have to open up there to get power to hit that, huh? Well, let's see what that looks like. Where is that? Here we go. Unlock ceiling. Does it do anything nifty? Does it move or anything? No. No, doesn't really do anything. Is it going up any faster? Going down. How is it going down? I'm not using anything. Oh, okay. Maybe we'll close this. Close the ceiling there. See if maybe, just maybe, that. I don't have anything turned on. Oh, the engine's on. Boom, turn that off. There we go. Now it's going back up. Okie dokie. Just waiting out the storm. Just waiting out the snowy weather. Oh boy, oh boy. Hey, look, we can go outside now. Okay, can I make a headlight? Headlight, outdoor light, outdoor light. Boom. Can we put it on? No. Can't put it on here anywhere? Ah. Outside building. Oh, okay, I see. So the lines are the building area, huh? Well, that's a bummer. I put it there. But I can't put it up front here, huh? Can I put it up here? Ah, get out of the way, gun. New? No, huh? Yeah, alright, we're gonna worry about that then. Let's... yep. Moving on, gonna go try and find the rest of the, pads for the indoor light. Is there another cave back here? Ooh, stuff. Maybe this is the secret cave. That is really cool. The only bit of color in this game. Neato bandito. What do we got here? Got a letter? Stuck in this cave for days now. Yada yada yada. Read if you want to. How about over here? We got blueprint. Last of no, not the last. Sorry. Some Icicle ammo. We'll take that. Don't go about it much. The blueprint. Bada bing. So now I think we have everything we can gather as far as shit we can make in this game. So we need an indoor light, and that'll be that, huh? So can I look? Is there a way I can I get up here? I'm assuming no. All right, well, let's go back to... Ooh, hi. Take... Give me that. I'll take that. Thank you. All right, let's go back to the train. All right, let's make us the last thing, which should be the indoor light. Indoor light, there it is. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's stick that sucker right there. All right, let's see. Turn the indoor light on. Boink. Oh, that is bright as hell. All righty, cool beans. Now, let's bring the train up a little bit here. Right there ought to be all right. Bada bing. Grab as much of this ammo as we got. All right, and seems how there doesn't seem to be any enemy drones to shoot. Let's find our little friends here. Can I shoot these guys? Where you at? Oh, cold. Go back in here. Wait out the storm. Be back in a sec. Hey, there we are. Back at it. Let's grab our... interact with our gun. And can I shoot him? Probably not. Not by the look of it, huh? Damn it. Come back here, you little bugger. Maybe I can just scoot forward a little bit here. There. Can I see on this thing? Not quite. A little more. There we go. And boom. See if I can actually shoot them, because there doesn't seem to be anything else I can shoot at. Aha! Kablooey! Alright, there, we've done everything. I believe we have built all of the stuff, right? Nothing that I can unlock that I don't have, or that I can do yet, because I do not have the full game, so I believe that is that. So let's head to the deep dark tunnel and get out of here and see what happens now that I've got everything. We'll be back in just a moment. To the deep, dark cave. Through the deep, dark cave. Alright, let's make our way through the deep, dark cave tunnel thingy. Alright, now let's make our way through the deep, dark, cavey tunnel thingy to the end and see what that gives us. Alright, what do we get here? That it? Nothing? Did we? Huh. Okay. Well, maybe I could go through there. Or do I have to turn this back on again? Do I have to do that? Unlock? Nope, okay. Well... kind of hoping we'd, like, leave here and it'd be really cool and there'd be, like, some weird ending or something that you get for doing the demo. But it does not appear as though that is the case. And I don't think I can crash the train because I honestly tried already. That's kind of a bummer, but oh well. Hopefully the full game will be out. I don't know. I read it, but I don't remember. So hopefully not too long. Anyway, I think they'll conclude our playthrough of the demo for Heat Death. I have to think about that name really hard. This is not a rolling off the tongue kind of name. Heat Death Survival Train. If you enjoyed the series, please do hit those like and subscribe buttons and all those wonderful fun things, and I will see you boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, later on. Have yourselves a great, wonderful, and as always, prosperous day. Bye bye.